Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Revolut account to another Revolut account. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Tap on Payments at the bottom of the screen. In the top right corner, tap the plus icon. Select Revolut Friend. If you already have friends on Revolut, choose one from your list. Otherwise, you can add a new friend using the one of three options, like by their Revolut tag, phone number, or email, or by scanning their QR code. To find your friend's tag or QR code, they just need to open the Revolut app. Tap their profile picture on the home screen and they'll see the ref tag and QR code. Once you've entered their information, just enter the amount and confirm the transfer. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Revolut to another Revolut account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.